Joseph's life tells us life is not always easy. Life is not always fair. Life doesn't give us what we deserve. But no matter what life does to us, God is always good. Joseph has a tough life. Joseph has a rough life. In fact, what's amazing about Joseph is that the worst things in his life start with his family. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. I don't want to go there. I really don't want to go there. But is there anybody in the room? Just wink at me. You can't shout because they're on the road with you, but just sort of wink at me. Anybody ever had problems, not outside, not on your job, not in the church, but in the house you live in? Anybody here ever been surrounded by haters with your same last name? God, I feel like preaching now. Would you lean on a neighbor, say, neighbor, you don't know what it is to have somebody against you until they're in your family. Now, let me tell you why, and I'm going to move on from here, because if it's somebody in church, you can change your pew. If it's somebody on your job, you can ask for a transfer. But when they live at your domicile, and reside at your residence and pull up to the same driveway you do, if the Lord doesn't help you, you're not going to make it. Joseph's haters were in his own household.